Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Skull Stash Voyages. These special voyages are a fantastic way to earn valuable loot and progress your pirate journey. You can acquire them directly from Larina, the representative for the bilge rats, who is usually found outside the taverns. Make sure you have enough doubloons ready, as they are the currency required for these exciting adventures. Let's dive into the details. To begin, sail to any outpost and find Larina, the bilge rat representative, standing just outside the tavern. Interact with her to open her special inventory. Here, you will see the Skull Stash Voyages listed among her offerings. Select the voyage you wish to purchase, ensuring you have the necessary doubloons. Once acquired, the voyage will appear in your ship's voyage inventory, ready for you to propose it. After purchasing, head to your ship and propose the Skull Stash Voyage on the captain's table. A map will appear, guiding you to the location of a buried chest of fortune. Sail to the designated island, follow the map's clues, and dig up the chest. Once you have the chest of fortune, safely transport it to any outpost and deliver it to the gold hoarder's representative for your well-earned rewards. Completing a Skull Stash Voyage grants you substantial gold and boosts your reputation with the gold hoarders. These voyages are particularly excellent for solo pirates or smaller crews looking for a quick, rewarding adventure without too much risk. They offer a straightforward path to valuable loot. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy sailing, pirates!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.